Hi students, let us continue with our chapter 28, distance formula. Okay, we had done 5 questions in our previous class. So today let me continue with the other questions. So let me do the 6th one. A point A is at distance of root 10. Distance is root 10. Unit from a point 4, 3. Find the coordinates of point A if its coordinates is twice its abscissa. Okay. So find the coordinates of point A if its ordinate is twice its abscissa. So I can take the point A as what? Point A is equal to abscissa and ordinate. You know that clearly, right? What is abscissa? Abscissa is your x-axis and ordinate is your y-axis, right? So when I take abscissa is given as what? Twice as the ordinate. The ordinate is twice as the abscissa. So abscissa is x, ordinate will be 2x. I consider it like that. Okay. So or I can consider a and 2a, whatever it is. So now let me find the value of a point A. Okay. So I get it as 4 minus x the whole square plus 3 minus 2x the whole square equal to root 10. So I get it as 16 plus x square minus 8x plus 9 plus 4x square. So 6 2 are 12. That is minus 12x equal to root 10. Now taking out the root, you get it as x square plus x square is 5x square minus 8x minus 12x will give you minus 20x plus 25 equal to 10, right? So 5x square minus 20x plus 15 equal to 0. Dividing by 5 you get x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So product should be 3 and sum should be minus 4, that is x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. X is common, x minus 3 minus 1 x minus 3 equal to 0. So you get it as x minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0 gives you x is equal to 1. X minus 3 equal to 0 gives you x equal to 3. So you get the answer as either x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 3. So what will be the point? Either a point will be, if x is equal to 1, your points will be 1 and 2. If x is equal to 3, your points will be 3 and 6. Okay. So you get the point A like that. Fine. Now let me do the 7th question. Coming to the 7th question. A point P 2 minus 1. Point P is 2 minus 1. Okay. 7th one. Point P 2 minus 1 is equidistant from a point A7 and minus 3a. Find a. How will we find it out? Okay, a point P is equidistant from A7 and minus 3a. So how do we find the point? Okay, so equidistance means equidistant from each of these points they have given. So distance between them and distance between them are equal. Okay, so how can we do it? So you find the distance between 2 minus 1 minus 3a and distance between 2 minus 1 a7, they are equal. So how do I write it? I can write this as 2 minus a the whole square plus 1 minus 7 the whole square equal to 2 minus of minus 3, 2 plus 3 the whole square plus minus 1 minus a the whole square. Okay, they are equal that. So 2 minus a the whole square will give you 4 plus a square minus 4a plus 1 plus 7 square is, okay, directly that I can write, correct? What do I get here? 1 minus 8, 7 is minus 8. Minus 8 square is 64 equal to 5 square, right? 5 square is 25. Then plus 1 plus a square plus, both are minus, so it will become plus 2a. Okay. Now what do you get here? Root of a square minus 4a plus 68 equal to root of a square plus 2a plus 26. Taking a squaring on both sides, you will get a square minus 4a plus 68 equal to a square plus 2a plus 26. A square and a square is getting cancelled. Minus 4a, I can take it that side. So I get 68 minus 26 is equal to 6a. So I get it as 68 minus 26 will give me what? 42 equal to 6a. So the value of a is equal to 42 by 6, that is equal to 7. So you get a equal to 7. Hope it's clear to you. Okay. Now coming to the next one. Coming to the 8th question. What point on the x-axis is equidistant from the points 7, 6 and minus 3, 4? Okay. What point on the x-axis is equidistant from 7, 6, 7? So let me consider the point on. Let point on x-axis be, how can I take? I'll take it as x0. So again, same way we are doing it. Distance between 7, 6 and x0 will be equal to minus 3, 4 and x0. Okay. So it is root of 7 minus x whole square plus 6 minus 0 the whole square equal to minus 3 minus x the whole square plus 4 minus 0 the whole square. How do we get it? Root of 7 square is 49 plus x square minus 14x, 6 square is 36 equal to root of 9 plus x square plus 6x plus 16. X square minus 14x, 36 plus 49 is what? 36 plus 49 is 585 equal to x square plus 6x plus 25. Squaring x square minus 14x plus 85 equal to x square plus 6x plus 25. X square and x square is getting cancelled. Finally, you will get 85 minus 25 equal to 20x. So you get it as 60 equal to 20x. X equal to 60 by 20, that is equal to 3. You get the value of x is equal to 3. Okay. Now, similar way doing the next question. Value of x, you get it as 3 in this case. Okay. So when you get the value of x as 3, it's a coordinate, right? So coordinate will be equal to, what will be the coordinate? It is x0, correct? X0 can be written as 3, 0.